So guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to find winning top selling product for any kind of drop shipping. So we're gonna talk about this, that how you can find the winning and top selling products for any kind of drop shipping. So this is our task today. To find a winning and top selling product is a crucial task for drop shipping business. So we have outlined all the ways you can find a top winning and top selling drop shipping products for your business, uh, which method is most effective for you to. So what is winning product? A winning product or top selling product is a provide value to the customer and makes them happy. It could be a new product or existing one. It meets the customer needs. So several factors must be considered when judging whether a product is successful, such as its sales, profitability, reviews, and how well it meets the customer's needs. Sometimes a product can be very successful but not make much money because it geared towards a specific niche market, or because the cost of producing and market it is high. So finding winning products and top selling product for any e-commerce depends on two things: high quality and low competition products. A website's selling power primarily comes down to these factors: high quality and well designed products. Low competition product: find winning products on Amazon product database. And the other thing I'm gonna tell you is that you can find top selling product through the trend. What type of trend is right now running, like a season or like a fashion? You can get the top selling product through these trends as well. By trend, new releases by Amazon. So there are plenty of ways you can use to get the idea that what products are winning and top selling in the market. And for Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, and you can start your top winning product and drop shipping through these websites easily. So I hope you understand my video, what I'm trying to deliver. So I will come with an other video. Till then, goodbye.